Hi guys, today I'm back with some more earrings. I'm going to use the UV resin nail foils again, so I'm just going to make a base. So I've mixed up some epoxy resin and I've added this pink from my mica powder set. And I'm going to make this size here. So I'm going to pour these into the mould and let them set for a week before I use them. 48 hours at a minimum. Okay, I'll let them sit for a few minutes and then I'll get my little heat tool and I will pop any bubbles that appear and I'll be back in a week for the next step. So as you can see, that's just given me a really nice flat smooth base to work with. So the nail foil I'm going in with today is this one. So it's a bit of a marble effect. It's got golds, pinks. It's really pretty. So I thought it would go really nice with this background. So I'm just going to take my UV nail gel glue and I'm just going to give each of these a nice coat. Okay, I'm just trying to make sure that no spot is left. Otherwise it won't stick down and I'll have to re-stick it back and it's not the greatest job to do. I've just cut little bits, squares off of this UV nail foil. And now I'm just patting them down just to make sure that there's no air bubbles. Now I'm going to drag over my UV lamp and I'm going to give them 90 seconds and I'll be back with the next step. Okay, so they've just had 90 seconds under the lamp. It's beautiful. And there, so as you can see, there's just this tiny little speck there, the pink, that hasn't adhered, but honestly, because I chose that pink background, you can't even really tell. So let's go on with the next step. I am going to grab my, where is it? I'm just going to grab my little sander and I'm just going to give them a light sand just to get the glue residue. It's not sanding the resin, it's just sanding the glue residue off the sides. So let me do that and I'll be back. Okay, so the edges have been sanded, so now I'm just going to go in with a nice big dob of clear UV resin just to give the top a nice shine and protect the UV nail foil. So I am just going to try and manipulate this to the edges, and I'm going to try not to fill in the hole that's already been made for us from the nice mould. So I'm just going to try and guide it around so I don't have to re-drill. Okay. I'm going to drag over my UV lamp and I'm going to give it a very good 3 minutes, and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. And haven't they turned out super nice? Now I've just used this Etsy mold to make some top parts there out of the same mica powder, and I have domed them with clear UV resin just to give them a bit of a shine. I've added a jump ring and a back to finish them off. Yeah, they're super sweet. I love that love heart mold. It's really nice. I might use it again. Now you can just see that little tiny dot there was the part that didn't transfer across. But other than that, wow. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.